Good morning, third grade. Let's go over our agenda for today, Thursday, February 13th, 2020. Homeroom.
Because we were talking.
Let's do Math A today.
I know it's easier for them to sign up.
So today for spelling, there's a worksheet. Circle the correct spelling, then write it. Vocabulary, you have a matching self-check. And as always, if either of these do not work, you can do your own version of practice. Reading, you're going to do your second read of natural disasters and then take a quiz. Grammar, you're going to take a quiz. Writing, you're doing day 2 of your discussion graphic organizer. And ELA, you are doing your other handwriting activity. For math, my A students are doing IXL for the third day, and my B students are doing Splash Learn. Some of you already did these activities on Splash Learn last week, so you don't have to do them this week. But if you did not do them last week, do them this week. Science, you're doing Evaluate of your 6E, and you have spelling, vocabulary, and extra notes and reminders. Learning Lab today, 9 to 10, drop in for anyone, and then 1 to 3 at the Duncansville site. For today, it's Try It Thursday. Wake up with science and math fun by playing Flip That Coin, a President's Day activity. So you click on the link, and it should download. Why it is not, I'm not sure. I will figure that out and let you know. But here is the activity. So you take a penny and you flip it 20 times and see which side it lands on, the heads or the tails. So if you flip it the first time, it lands on heads, you put an X. Flip the second time, if it lands on heads, you put an X. Flip the third time, if it lands on tails, put an X. At the end, count up how many heads and how many tails you have. Then you're going to write how many heads, how many tails, and use tally marks to represent that as well. And then you are going to do a data chart to represent. And you can do that with a nickel, a dime, and a quarter. English, you have your reading quiz and your grammar quiz today. So 23.4. Spelling, this is the activity I was saying about. You have to pick the correct spelling and circle it, and then write the correct spelling on the other side. Vocabulary is the self-check, so it goes from the definition, and then you have to match it, click and drag to the word. For reading, you're going to do your second read through of natural disasters. You can read it on your own, or you can follow along as you listen. And remember that you're going to be adding more notes for your discussion later. So while you're reading, think of some important facts or questions that you might want to include as you're reading. And then you're going to take the reading quiz. Grammar, you're taking the quiz on adverbs.
What's his first name?
Writing, so yesterday we started taking notes for our discussion about natural disasters. Please fill in your graphic organizer. Find your graphic organizer, you need that again. So you're going to add a few more important details and questions. And as you're reading for the second time, take note if you saw anything else you wanted to include. Even if you think you'll remember, it's important to write those things down. And then your handwriting today is working on connecting U, Y, I, J. Math A, IXL, two-step mixed operation word problems for M16. Math B, As I said, today is your Splash Learn day. You have add money and subtract money. I think I had one kiddo do both and finish both, but I can't say the same for my other kiddos. So if you did not do that now. Science today, no social studies because we have science. You're doing the evaluate piece. If you click on any of these links, it'll take you to the same spot. You should have watched the video walkthrough by now. You open up the wheel.
Barbara, it's not allowing her to.
All right. And then today, what did I say today is? I don't even remember. Oh, evaluate. Sorry, guys. Yes, today is evaluate. So you're going to do the Quizlet to check your understanding on conservation and the 3 R's. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know.